Hello, today I am going to tell you how to make instant dahi vada. But there is no frying in this, we are going to make it with bread. So I'll be telling you two varieties of making instant dahi vada. One is with the filling of cottage cheese and the second will be without the filling. So let's start. So these are the ingredients. You need bread. You can take either white bread or brown bread. Of course, you need curd. This is thick curd. We will check the consistency and add water if needed. Salt, chili powder, sugar, chaat masala. These are the two chutneys that you need. This is the green chutney made with mint, coriander, green chilies and salt. And this is the sweet chutney made with tamarind, jaggery, salt and chili powder. Little bit of coriander for garnishing, and for the filling we can use cottage cheese. So we'll take the bread and cut off the edges. The first one I'll be telling is with the filling. We need to wet. Take the water with spoon and wet it. Make sure that the edges are also wet. You can also take some buttermilk and dip the bread in it, but don't dip it for too long, just a second and remove it. Make sure the edges are also wet. I'll make the filling in a bowl. Take some cottage cheese. I'll add some chaat masala, little bit of chili powder and a pinch of salt, and mash this well. Mash it into a soft dough. Like this. So take a portion, make a ball out of it. Take the bread slice. Keep the cottage cheese ball at the center and slowly get the corners of the bread inwards and press it. Press it firmly and make it look like a vada or a tikki. Here you have to press it firmly. Only if the bread is moist all over, it will not break. If it is dry, if it is not moist, it could break. So press it firmly and make the vada like this. I'll make another one. See that the edges are also moist. Take the cottage cheese filling, keep it at the center and get the corners to the center and press it well. press it down as well as on the side. This is one style. I'll show the other style where you do not need the filling. So I'll take the bread slice, and you can take any bowl like this to cut circles out of it. And cut the circles. I'll arrange it on the same plate. So I'll first keep one slice. We'll do some filling with the chutney and then keep the second slice. We'll get the curd ready. So this is thick curd, plain curd. I will add a pinch of salt, a pinch of chili powder, a pinch of chaat masala, and around a teaspoon of sugar. Whisk it well till the sugar dissolves. So this is whisked. I have taken a small amount of curd and I'll add water in it to make some buttermilk. You can either take it with the spoon and then pour it on it, or you can just dip it just for a second and remove on both the sides. Just a second and remove. Keep one slice. Then put some green chutney on it, some sweet chutney, and then the second slice, dip it just for a second in the buttermilk and remove and keep it on it. Now take the curd. It's a flowing consistency curd. It should not be very thick. Now we can pour this curd on the vada. Some green chutney. Some sweet chutney. A pinch of red chili powder and a pinch of chaat masala. You can add pomegranate seeds or tutti frutti for decoration, and a sprig of coriander at the center. The same way we'll make for the vadas that we have done the filling with. Now these slices of bread were already moist, so there is no need of dipping it in the buttermilk. We will directly pour the curd mixture on it. Some green chutney, some sweet chutney, pinch of red chili powder, a pinch of chaat masala, pomegranate seeds or tutti frutti, then some sprigs of coriander on top. So these are the two varieties of instant dahi vadas made with bread.